at LSU. The Ateneo Blue Spikers celebrate after getting a point in Game 2 at the UAAP Men's Volleyball Finals led by Mark Espejo and Isay Marasigan. The Blue Spikers notches their second straight UAAP title. Ateneo picked up another straight set from this time sweeping University of Santo Tomas 25-16, 25-15, 25-21 to assure itself of the list a tie of front in Group B of the Spikers third Season 2 Collegiate Conference at the Arena in San Juan Saturday. The Eagles just played good enough to dispose of the Tigers in duel of the unbeaten term in 62 minutes with no player churning out a double-digit output. Mark Espejo's 8 hits including 6 attack points, Alexis Villanueva and Israel Marasigan's identical 7 markers and Paul Koifman and Rex and Paul Koifman and Rex Indal's combined 12 hits proved sufficient to power the defending champion to their fourth straight victory at the Tigers shattered with their attacks and struggled with their reception.